Hi yoga teachers, my name is Karen Fabian and I'm the founder of Bare Bones Yoga, and I'm so excited that you signed up to hold your seat at this special training that I'm going to be hosting over 3 different dates over on Facebook. So the first thing you need to do is mark down the dates for the training, September 9th, 14th, and 16th, all at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. The next thing I want you to do is go over to Facebook, use the link here on this page to join the special Facebook group where I'll be hosting all these trainings. And then the last thing to do is to download the workbook. That's the companion guide that'll guide you through each session. It'll give you the notes for each session as well as some special exercises we'll be going through so you really get the most out of it. Don't forget, the topic of these workshops is 3 separate things that I get asked about all the time by yoga teachers: how to effectively cue, how to easily build yoga sequences, and how to confidently answer those student questions that come up after class. I can't wait to get this training going. Go into the Facebook group, post something that you're excited to learn, and we'll get going on September 9th. If for any reason you have questions, you didn't get the workbook download, just send me an email. I'm happy to help. I'll see you on the 9th at the first workshop. Namaste.